In the previous video, I showed you how you can go live on YouTube, but I received so many comments of people asking me how you can go live on YouTube in landscape mode. So in this video, I'll show you how you can go live on YouTube in landscape mode, not in portrait mode. So how do we do that? First things first, we shall first install this app here. There's an app we use, this app called rotation control. I've put this link in the description below, or you can go to Play Store and download it. So click, once it's done downloading and installing, just click into it and open it. Just turn it on. Once you turn it on, the next thing you will do is come up here and turn on the auto rotation mode on your device. Together? Okay, so come here and tap on YouTube. Then I want you to rotate your phone. Just hold your phone in this way so that it can go to landscape mode. Then the next thing we shall do is click on this plus button. Yes, and then come here where you see, first flip the camera. Come here where you see this this button here. Click on horizontal rotation. It is always in vertical rotation. Just click on it so that it says horizontal rotation. Then click on this pen icon. Yes, don't worry about this, it will stay in portrait for now since we want to type in this information. So just type the title of what your live stream is about. I will just do Top Notch Media Academy, then publicity or visibility. For my case, I'll leave it unlisted because I'm doing this video for you guys. Say no, it's not made for kids. Then you can add a description. I told you can just type as much as you can in here. Then schedule for later. This is when you are trying to create a link so that it can stay. If it's not for creating a link, just don't activate it. Together? All right, so the next, I don't think they are that important. Then click on next. When you click on next, it will prompt you to first upload a thumbnail. So click here. If you want to take it, just click on take thumbnail. Then it will count 3 2 1 and then it will take that picture. If not, if you have already designed thumbnail, just click on it, do upload thumbnail, and once again I will use this picture of my fellow content creators here. Click OK. So once we are done with that, I want you to rotate your phone once again into landscape mode, and yes, it will be in this format. So you can see on the screen everything is now in landscape mode. Then click on go live. Just give it a few seconds, and immediately we shall go live in this landscape mode, not in portrait mode.